Oh my goodness, you guys. I've been working on this all day long. And this is my yard sale. It kind of looks like it's set up to be a classroom, doesn't it? But, I mean, look. Just look. There's stuff as far as the eye can see, you know? More here. This is all books over here, and then there's more back here, and it's just everywhere. And then, oh my goodness, I have all of this stuff here in the middle of the floor that doesn't have a place yet. And I'm not certain where it's going to have a place yet. And I've got this stuff under here that doesn't have a home yet. And then I have more books over here in these boxes I'm going to try to put on those bookshelves. So much work, so much stuff, so much money. I'm overwhelmed with the whole thing, you know? I got very, very emotional earlier, and I just broke down and cried. I don't know. Yeah, this is my life. This is 22, 23 years of my life right here, and getting rid of it and going through it and seeing everything was tough. And then I got it all set up like this, and I was like, now I feel comfortable. Now I feel comfortable. I feel like I'm with my stuff. At least for now. I'm with my stuff. I'm like in my classroom. You know, and I felt better, but tomorrow and then the next day is the sale, and I just need to sell stuff because, I mean, look at the pile of boxes out there in the driveway. There's still so much that I don't even have set up anywhere, and I don't know where I'm going to put it. Deep breath. Deep breath. That's all I got. I don't know. I'm going to have to come up with some more places to put stuff. Wish me luck, guys, and this is what 22 years worth of teaching can look like. When you teach elementary, anyhow. Okay, I gotta get back at it. Well, we're going to do an interesting unboxing here from the midst of the garage sale, which is all set up, and there's like nobody coming today. There's been 3 people here. Three people. Look at all this stuff. And there's been 3 people here. I have sold some paperback books, which I have tons and tons and tons of, but look at all this stuff I still have left. And there's been anybody here in like an hour. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. And I don't want to box it all back up and have to figure out where to put it or what to do with it. I just need people to come and buy it. Come on. So since I'm sitting here bored and there's nobody here, I got a package in the mail. I got it yesterday, and I'm going to put you in my little holder here. So hang on just a second. And we're going to do a garage sale unboxing. What do you think about that? Well, a garage sale unboxing. There's my box. What do you think? All right, so I went on Diamond Painting Bliss. Oh, and I don't have my microphone on, so I hope I'm talking loud enough. I went on Diamond Painting Bliss, and I was just looking around because we're doing Smash on the Specials, you know, and I thought I could find something special. And I did. Now, the weird thing was, Amy didn't realize she had listed it yet. It wasn't really ready. It hadn't gotten the sale price attached to it, whatever. We worked it out, and she told me there was a little damage. I'm like, it's fine. She showed me the pictures. I'm like, yep, I want it. I want it. I love how she packages everything up so nicely, you guys. Everything is so nice. Here's just a little note, probably my invoice. Oh, man. There went stickers. There went my stickers. All right. So, the typical thing, she thanks you for purchasing, included the goodie bag, because, you know, she gives you this awesome goodie bag with all kinds of stuff. You never know what's going to be in it. This stuff comes in just a couple days. It's awesome. She buys some sparklers probably to put in there, or ABs or whatever. Thank you so very much for everything. I sent a few things for the kiddos. I figured you could come up with something with that It was sent to me as a wrong item in place of something else I'd ordered. Huh. Please let me know. I can't, the places that have problems. Oh, like, and we had some confusion about it being listed and whatnot. Anyhow, so I guess she sent some extra things, a few extra things. She did send me these stickers, right? Got a diamond sticker. Look at my Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. That's cute. All right, put that on the checkers game. This is cool. Look at that. This is tulle. Glitter tulle. Okay? We'll find something we can do with some glitter tulle. Yeah, that's cool. So that's not the typical gift bag, right? This must be the extra stuff she sent. It's the tulle. That's cool. You know, maybe I can figure out how to use it in a framing or something sometime. Yeah, what do you think? Pretty cool? All right, here is my goodie bag. Wait, here's something else. Oh, this is the kiddo things. I got it. Okay, here we go. This is stickers. Okay, this is stickers. All right. We got smiley face stickers. Those are cute. And then these are really cute. These are cute. Look at this little bag. It's like a little, almost cloth bag. That's kind of cool. There's some little stickers in here. These, I think they're stickers. Maybe they're just cutouts. We'll see. No, they're just little cutouts. But look at what they are. They're all these cute little images, little kids. And look at the dog. I like that puppy dog. He's cute. Ice cream cone. They're kind of, no, they're stickers, and they're like felty. I think they peel off the backing. And yeah, just cute little things. Those would be cute to decorate stuff with, right? Those would be awesome. My goodie bag, you guys. Oh my gosh, my goodie bag looks full. Overflowing. Look, it's a big bag. There's a big goodie bag. Oh, there's going to be lots of cool stuff in here. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, we'll get back to this in a minute. I think I have a customer. Yay! Yay, I have a customer. We'll be back. Okay, we'll get into this in a minute. Okay. All right, so I did make a sale there. Yay! Okay, we were to the goodie bag. The big goodie bag full of stuff. I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, let's start on this side. All right, what do we have here? Oh, look, we got a couple of little stamps. Aw, keep it neat and excellent. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. My kids would stamp their faces with that, just so you know. One of the little trash tray things. That's cool. What else? What else? What else? We get this little goodie bag. I'm not going to open everything. Oh, I'm going to take one thing out. But I didn't get this in the last one. The goodie bags are always different, you guys. She just collects all kinds of stuff. So some of the same things. The little clips, which I use all the time. A paper clip. Oh, that one's a heart. Look at little keychain thing. I got a little bracelet in this one, though. A little, like, that's cool. Kind of little woven thread bracelet. That's nifty. Look at that. That's cute. Cute. We have a washi tape with feathers. Ooh, those are pretty. I was just looking at some washi tape on Amazon, some sets. That's cool. I like that. All right. What else is in here? What else? This is, oh, I didn't get this last time. Somebody just unboxed something and they had this. I didn't get this. This is like got a little container. And it's got like museum putty in it. A hunk of museum putty. That's awesome. In a little container. It'll probably be a lot easier to use than my museum putty that's just in the package. What do you think? All right. Okay, we'll put that back in there. All right, what else? What else? What else? I love the goodie bags. They're so much fun. This is awesome. Bookmark, which has daisies. I love daisies. So these are magnetic. You know, you open them and put them over your pages. Keep your place. Those are cool. I just got some of those from Barbara. Man, I can use those. Little package of ABs. Yellow, pretty yellow. 3078. I don't know if I have that color. I don't know. I do now. And then, what is this? Oh, it's a magnifier. That's with a light. Oh, look at it. It lights up. That's cool. All right, that's nifty. Okay. And then this, oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, this is different than the last one. It's a wax pencil, but look at, it's got like a rubbery kind of protector on it. I love these. Since we're doing Smashing the Specials, you guys, I love these. These are so cool. And this has grippy. That's nifty. Now, my last one, the paper's coming off. And so it slides off, and you push down, and it just slides. I hope this one doesn't do that. Yeah, cool. The other one I just have to kind of, I take it out of the wrapper, actually. Take the paper right off and just use the wax part. Okay, here's what I had to have. Here's what I had to have. All right, this is cool. Oh, there's all bubble wrapped up. Nice. Nice and protected. Now, what happened is she didn't have it listed because it had a little damage, and she wanted to finish the listing and make sure that whoever got it didn't mind the little damage. But this was like the only one. The only one. You can probably tell what it is already. And I just had to have this one. Mystery, I just did one. I've seen somebody else do one. I had one, but not like this. Okay? This one's different. Look at the box it comes in. That's nifty. That's cool. It's got a picture on the end. I don't think I need to show you the picture yet. Let's open it. Come on. Come on, little box. Open up. Okay. So, is it upside down? No, it's okay. All right, so you can tell what it is, right? It's the tissue box. The tissue box I had was one of those little mini ones that didn't fit a box of tissues in it, and you had to figure out how to fold it and put it in there. Yeah. Okay, so this one's wooden. I think my other one might be plastic. This is awesome. Does this slide off? How does this open? Because your stuff's inside. Oh, it goes like that. The bottom slides out, and your stuff comes out here. Awesome. There's my gems. Okay, there's my gems. Oh, look at all the gems, all the different sizes. Look at all those greens. And then the other side are pinks. Oh, how pretty. All right, so how are you going to see the image? Well, there is an image on the box, but I'm going to peel some of the paper back. Maybe. Are these separate? Okay, so here's what she wanted me to see. It's got a little ding on the corner. I'm like, really? I don't care about that little ding on the corner. It's fine. That ding is just fine. Let's see. What do we get on this end? Oh, that's just the green end. Okay, that's not too exciting. I want you to see a side. Okay, here we go. Let's show you a side. Oh, look at it. It's a pink lotus flower on a lily pad kind of thing. And the water, there's some more over here. Look, another little one. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. You guys, it's so pretty. When I saw this, I had to have this with the pink lotus flower, like in the green water. It's beautiful. And then this side, of course, is going to be, okay, it's sealed over there. Look at the other side will be the same. Look at them. Aren't they pretty? So stinking pretty. You guys, I loved it. I've never seen one like this. Never, ever seen one like that. Okay, I've seen the M&M. I've seen the one with little flowers. I've seen the cherry branches, all that. But I've never seen that one with the lotus flower. Let's see. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Is it even focusing? I don't know. Let's see. No. Oh, that went well. I think that's as good as it gets, folks. But you saw it when I peeled the paper back. It's so pretty. Smashing the Specials. It's Saturday, you guys. I'm about to finish my painting I'm working on. I might be doing this tonight. Like, it comes with the pen, and it comes with the little dish. I don't use these for, doing the drills, but look at the pinks. Oh my gosh. Every bag is labeled with the letter. Big pinks, small pinks. That's a green. And then, like, 3 different sizes. 3 different sizes of the pinks. And, well, maybe not. There's some more pinks. Different sizes of the greens, and there's a couple different greens, right? How pretty. I'm so excited. I love this. It's perfect. It's perfect. You didn't have to worry about the little damage. The little damage is so minimal. And look at how many of these big green ones there are. That's the biggest one. There's a ton of those. This is exciting. Okay, I got to get busy. I got to finish my dragonfly so that tonight during live, I can work on this. This is what I want to work on tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not gone to Diamond Painting Bliss, go. You get your stuff in a couple days, you know, and you get this awesome goodie bag of who knows what you're going to get in your goodie bag. Cool stuff, right? And she's awesome, you guys. She's just awesome to work with. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm going to clean this up and put my stuff away so that nobody comes in and tries to buy it. And you'll see that later in my live. I'm going to work on that box. I'll have a real tissue box that actually fits a box of tissues in it. The other one's cute. The Hello Kitty, it's cute. But hang on. It's right here. Yeah. Let's see. No, I'm wrong. I don't know where it is. It's right here. But it's so small. You guys, I had to like try to fold. I'm trying to sell it, see? I had to fold tissues to put it in here, but this one's plastic, that one's wood, and this one's like half the size. Yeah, okay. All right. Hello, kitty. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. You might not even see this video. What am I talking about before I put up the live? Because I don't think I can get this processed out here in the yard sale, but you'll know later. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to take care of my stuff, and I'll see you next time.